Hi there, this is Mitch, and I'm coming to you from Unreal Engine 5 today. This is the final project for my master's degree, and today I'm just going to be doing a walkthrough level that I've done. All of the levels are using assets from the Unreal Megascans. I haven't done this in the new settings, the nanites, and I've not yet used loop, but there are a few things I have done with the Quicktool bridge to import all of these assets. So let's get on to the gameplay. So still using the same character Wukong from the first one that I did for Wukong, but this time was just to create a much more visually appealing map, stuff with more verticality, ups and downs, and potential exploration. In this though, it is a linear style map, and in my opinion it's turned out quite well. Nice lighting on the indoors. You'll have to forgive my frames. The recording software and the engine takes up quite a bit of power. Yeah, it's lots of foliage, lots of different things going on. Tried to make the environment as interactive as I could, so you can see from there that it fell down and ended up lodged in the dirt and stuff like that. But yeah, let's keep going. This is the very first combat encounter. I toned down the difficulty in these maps so that enemies would be more fun, kind of beat up and head past. The problems I had in the past were enemies were too hard to kind of defeat, so now it's just been how can I make the level and gameplay more entertaining for players instead of just getting destroyed from the very first instance. So we still do use the swinging mechanic. This time I've been focusing more on how can I make the level interesting without just relying on swinging everywhere. But I still love the mechanics, so we've definitely kept it in just for a small segment. Lots of collectibles on the map, but luckily these enemies aren't too difficult to defeat, so we're not really getting hit that often. These enemies are patrolling. Just set up with a manager system, using all blackboard and stuff. But it's nice to be able to look out onto the sides and see the map has come together. So I find it visually appealing to look at, and it's nice to see that the designs have come quite a long way. Straight over here, and defeat the monkeys that are standing in my way. This guy's patrolling. Oh, he's just going to walk right past me. Not anymore. And we'll just carry on through. You'll have to forgive my dog in the background since we've been working at home. It's more difficult to record in a quieter environment, but it's okay. Can't stop dogs from barking. Again, another swinging mechanic. And to see if our friend here sees us. But I think he's just going to walk past us for the time being. But I'm going to fight him. A little bit harder than the other guys. Not too much more difficult though. Just carry on running. In the area we started. Got to jump down there, I'd have to come all the way back up, so I'm just going to keep running for the time being. So I'd say we're about halfway through now. Got to scale all the way up just to go all the way back down again. Here. And poof. There he goes. We're going to go through, collect more gems, and we're going to head down this ramp here. All the way to the bottom. So this area is where I like to call the training grounds. So you can engage these guys in combat if you fancy a challenge, which I'm probably going to do. We're going to heal up a little bit first. So, first bit of combat, we're going to face this guy. You know what? I'm going to take them all on at once. We managed to defeat them. No real stress. Got some more up there, but you know what? Let's do it. That was entertaining. It hurt quite a bit though. We'll just take a moment to have a look at the waterfall in the distance. Alright. There's another one over there as well. We're going to carry up this ledge here. See the two guards keeping watch outside the door. And get their attention. These guys can hurt each other. That is something that in future I do want to be changing. But the aim of this was to create the map more so than edit my AI. But yeah, on to the boss fight now. So quite a nice area, and the boss up on his high perch as well. Let's bring him down. Guy is a lot bigger than all the rest, and he does like to hit hard if he does hit us. Bit of a power curve, but I know how to fight them. And that is the end of the mission. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope to catch you next time. Cheers.